What's up, guys? How was your day? Welcome to TV&Fridge's English Lounge.
I'm TV.
And I'm Fridge. This is a radio where we speak English to get better, and we hope this radio can help you to learn English as well.
皆さんいかがお過ごしでしょうか。このラジオは我々 TV と Fridge が英語を話すラウンジです。このラジオを通じて僕たちも英語力向上を目指して頑張ってます。今回は聞き流しラジオです。通勤通学や家事をしながら聞いてみてください。時々日本語での解説も入ります。それでは今回も始めていきましょう。Let's get started. Right. Hey, how are you today, Fridge?
Pretty good. Yeah, a little bit cold outside, but yeah, I'm feeling good. Yeah.
Cool.
How is yours?
Yeah, pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you know, it's cold here, so it's tough for me. But yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, tough for almost everyone, including me.
Yeah.
I don't want to get cold, you know. Maybe like not last time, but in this radio I talked about like how I get through the COVID and a cold. So yes, that was a nightmare. So I don't want to get a cold again.
Yeah.
In the future.
Yeah. So I went to grocery store today to have some ingredients to make curry.
Curry. Wait.
Yeah.
Which type of curry? Like Japanese, Indian,
I don't know, but the name is keema curry. I don't know how to pronounce in English.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know too. Keema. I don't know.
Keema. Yeah.
Is a like but is it like produced by Japanese company? Like their product?
Yeah.
I don't know. Keema curry is its origin is it's not in Japan, right? Maybe in India or some
I don't know.
like I don't know.
Yeah. The reason why I wanted to make curry is I watched a social media and a short video is about making curry. So oh, that's cool. I want to try one. And then yeah, I made it.
飯テロ。
飯テロ。
I think there's some word these days.
Yeah.
English word for 飯テロ, I guess.
Oh, you guess.
I saw some word on internet. But I'm not sure. I got it. Like I just looked it in on Google. 飯テロ英語. And they say food porn.
So, can I? Oh. What?
Food porn.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
It's the word food. Yeah, food porn. Yeah.
So can you explain Japanese?
Like, okay, so like, 飯テロって多分飯お腹を空かせる画像、なんかテロみたいな嫌な気持ちには
動画とか写真とか深夜に SNS とかで
そう
カップラーメンの動画を見るみたいなね
とか友達のインスタのストーリーでめっちゃ美味しそうなラーメンを夜中に見ちゃって食べたくなるみたいなね、一種のテロリズムみたいな、ね、
テロリズム
表現だけど、英語だと、テロリズムじゃなくて、フード、食べ物の、なんだろうな、いかがわしいビデオですよね。
ポルノですね。
というふうに、表現される。なんか、なんでだろうね。それが、なんか、どうしても見たくなっちゃう 何かなのかわかんないけど、なんとなくニュアンス的にはわかるんだけど、説明が難しいけど、英語だとそういうみたいです。
なんか、テロリズムとかだとちょっと、なんだろう、政治的というか、ニュアンスが結構強いから、
そうだね、
カジュアルに英語で表現されてるのかもしれないですね。
多分日本語でテロってちょっと軽いイメージあるけど、まあ、その使われ方にもよるけど、多分、英語だとテロリズムを、
海外と、
なんていうか、省略してテロとも言わないし、軽い意味を持ってすらいないから、違う単語でよくあるのが、チャレンジ。違う。リベンジか。俺リベンジしてくるわ、みたいな。ちょっとなんか、再チャレンジするみたいな意味でリベンジを使うこと、
前回できなかったことを、できるようにしようみたいな。
もう一回挑戦しようみたいな意味で使うけど、多分英語だと、リベンジは、もう人を殺す勢いで、あいつに復讐するみたいな意味だから、それも近いかもしんないね。その、
日本、
和製英語ならではの意味の違いみたいな。ってな感じで。
そう、っていうキーマカレーをね、作ったんですけど、
キーマカレーか。
なんか一個解説というか、言うと、その買い物に行きましたみたいな。っていう時に、なんか日本語だと、ショッピングセンターとか、スーパーとか言うけど、なんか食料品を聞いた時は、グローサリーストアっていう風に言うので、ぜひ、覚えておいてくださいという感じで、Let's go back to English という感じですが、Yes. So do you like curry?
I actually had curry today.
Oh.
Yes.
So did you make it or?
No, just so
you went to...
my mom made it.
Oh, what kind of curry?
It's just Japanese curry, you know.
Japanese curry.
Yeah,
okay.
Japanese style curry, and was so good.
Because your mom made it.
Yeah, my mom made it, and my family, we love spicy food.
Oh, yeah.
And the curry is also spicy in my house, in my, family. So that's my taste, spicy and so good.
Yeah.
Do you?
So,
yeah, that's that.
So in Japanese, like curry's company made some like level of spicy, like 甘口、中辛、辛口. So which one do you like the best?
辛口.
Oh.
Dark. Highest.
So your family loves like that much, like that spicy.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Oh.
So like.
So when did you start eat 辛口? Because like many children can't eat like that kind of spicy food. So many people start from 甘口. But yeah, so when did you start to eat 辛口?
So I don't remember, because in my family we had our education for spicy food. So
yeah.
But so the reason is my parents have their favorite curry restaurant, Indian curry restaurant in my hometown.
Yeah.
And
so
yeah.
Is that you said the last one?
Yeah.
Last two episodes?
Yeah, in maybe like 3 episodes ago, or
yeah.
I already mentioned it before.
Yeah.
In this video, the curry restaurant. And I think I went to the restaurant like when I was for the first time. That was when I was like under 5 years old.
Wow.
So like I was trained for a long time and Ari.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the reason why I like spicy food. Yeah.
Wow. So you had a spicy one.
Yeah, spicy one. Like I think I started just the middle one in the restaurant.
Yeah.
But yes, I grow more spicy more higher,
Oh.
you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
yeah, I think it's crazy, but so I couldn't understand some kids said, curry served in school, like in elementary school, was too spicy. Some kids said they can't eat it. They couldn't eat it because it's spicy. But I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? This is just, not spicy.
Yeah, like sweet.
Yeah, this is just sweet and it's so good, but it's not spicy.
Yeah.
I couldn't understand it. So, yeah, like my rebel was that. So,
Yeah.
yeah. So, you like spicy food, right? Maybe I asked you before already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah. But I found it that like when I eat like spicy food, like curry or spicy ramen or something, I always like汗をかく.
Sweat.
Sweat. I always sweat.
Sweat. Maybe sweat.
Eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
汗をかく.
So do you sweat when you eat like spicy food?
Yeah. I sweat a lot and I think I have running nose sometimes. 鼻水.
Yeah.
そう。
Wow.
汗をかく。sweat。sweat。今調べてたんだけど、一応、sweat、汗をかく。で、一応なんか難しい単語として、perspire、汗をかく。お医者さんが多分使うとっていうか、ちょっとだけ難しい単語、perspire。
まあ、スウェットは聞くけど、それはちょっと聞いたことなかったな。
ポカリスウェットのスウェットじゃないかな。あの商品って多分そうだよね。スウェット。
ポカリスウェット。
そう。で、あと、鼻水が出るみたいなのって、running nose。まあ、鼻の状態のことなんだけど、鼻水が出てるっていうか、に苦しんでる状態の鼻みたいな、多分、のが、running nose。ノーズは鼻じゃん。
はい。
鼻水が出るっていう文章で言いたいときは、I have a running nose. runny nose. running でもいいんだけど、その run ってなんか、水が流れるでも run っていう時あるじゃん。
はい。蛇口をひねった時に、水が出る、あの様子ね。
そう。水の流れを run って言うんだけど、走るみたいなね。それは鼻水、まあ液体だからちょっと汚い話だけど、で言ってる running nose。
蛇口をひねった鼻水が蛇口から出るみたいな。
出すぎ。そう。
なんか言葉的な、なんだろう。語源的なのはそういう意味かもしれないね。イメージ的には。
そうだね。まあ、なんか、鼻から水が流れてるみたいな感じで、まあ、running nose. I have a running nose. 鼻水が出るっていうのは。
まあ、そうだね。結構なんか英語で、その病気とか、なんか、何かが痛むみたいな。なんかそういう意味で結構 I have a stomach ache.
そうだね。
お腹痛いとか、あとは、I have a cold とか、
I have a
風邪ひいた時に、
headache とか、
I have a headache とか、頭痛とか、なんか I have なんとかみたいな表現は結構使うイメージがあるね。
have って何かの状態を示すみたいなね。手に持つだけじゃなくて、I have a bad feeling でも嫌な予感がするとか、いい気分がしないみたいな。気分を持ってるみたいな、自分の中に。とか、そういうのはあるね。
そうだね。
確かに。ちなみに、はい。
どうぞ。
ちなみに、筋肉痛ってどうやって言うか知ってる？俺確かアメリカ行った時に初めて知ったんだけど、筋肉痛。
当てていいですか？
はい。
まあ、この話の流れから言うと、I have を使うとまず予測して、
はい。
muscle pain とか、I have muscle pain とか。
って思うじゃん。ごめん、引っ掛けなんだけど、ハブ使わなくて。ごめんなさい。流れ的におかしいけど、
はい。
I'm sore from
I'm sore from.
from プラスその痛む場所。
じゃあ、例えば、なんだろうな。じゃあ、腹筋、
うん。
じゃあ腕でもいいわ。腕とか腹筋とか。
そうだね。腹筋は abs って言うんだけど、ABS、abs。I'm sore from my abs。腹筋が筋肉痛だわ。
はいはいはい。
とか、ごめん。I'm sore, I am か、I'm sore from my abs が、
I'm sore ね。
sore、そう、S-O-R-E。なんか sore は多分、ヒリヒリするとかそういう意味なんだけど、I'm sore from my legs とか、
はいはいはいはい。
my left arm とか、そうそうそう。my back とか背中とかね。I'm sore from、で、筋肉痛。どこどこが筋肉痛みたいな。
そう、あとちなみになんかその sore って言うと、なんだろう。It's a sight for sore eyes って聞いたことある？
It's
sight for sore eyes.
sight for sore eyes.
聞
いたことない。
なんかその sore eyes、その sore ってなんか痛いとかの話で、なんかその sore eyes だからなんか目が痛いもの、みたいな感じで、なんか逆にその、なんだろうな、it's sight for sore eyes だと、それをなんか見ると、なんか目が良くなるってかいいものだからなんか、例えば、なんか可愛いものを見たときに、なんか it's sight for sore eyes みたいな。なんか可愛くて目が、なんて言うんだろうな。いや、痛いじゃない。その、逆にその、なんていうのかな。目が潤うわ、みたいな。
目の保養になるわ、みたいな。
あ、そう。目の保養になるみたいな。そう。だから、that, なんだ、cute dog is a sight for sore eyes みたいな。
sight
この cute
sore eyes。
そう、sight。そう。みたいな。
全然使える気がしねえ。そんなの聞いたことなかった。
アイドルの推しとかね。推しのアイドルとか、なんか、可愛い子供の、なんだろう、動物とか。みたいな。そう。It's a sight for sore eyes っていう、そうつながりで。
あ、そうなんだ。
はい。
sight
っていう。
for sore eyes。Yes. Interesting.
Yeah. So when you see some attractive things, you can say it's a sight for sore eyes.
Okay. I got it.
So when you meet me,
never. Just kidding. But like, it's just too much flirting,
Yeah. Alright. So what did we talk about?
We
curry?
were talking about curry, and somehow we went to a weird way of talking, with direction.
Yeah.
And we were talking about curry and spicy food. Yeah. How about how about sweet stuff like cake, pudding, like, candies?
Yeah.
Do you like, sweet stuff?
Yeah, I like sweet. Sweet food or sweet. And when I'm tired, like today I used my brain a lot and I study a lot or something, I want some sweet cakes or sweet
same
like in convenience store.
But like it's we like, and I feel same, and it's more like we like sweet stuff, but like there's some people they really love sweets. Like I couldn't believe that there's some kind of, for example, taking example as a donut, like there's some buffet style donut shop. And when I imagine, like if I was going to the like buffet, maybe just one or two is enough for me.
Yeah.
So I was thinking I like sweet stuff, but I don't like really love or I'm into it. But some people do. And I can't believe it. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
that's crazy. It's
Yeah.
kind of superpower, I think. Yeah?
Yeah. 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 So when I have like sweet food, sweet things, okay, I had a sweet thing. So I have to work on something or I have to study. Yeah, I have to do a lot of things.
Like use the sugar?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe if I go that kind of restaurant or shop, and after that, I will be a Superman because I can do everything.
Or maybe the superhero's name is maybe Diabetes or something.
Diabetes.
名前忘れちゃった。糖尿病。
Diabetes.
Diabetes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and so do you like to go coffee shops?
Coffee shops.
Cafe?
Okay.
Yep.
So before talking about coffee shops, maybe I don't understand what is the good part of coffee shop. So forgive me to be like being rude for a minute.
Okay.
Just forgive me. But I
all right.
don't see the reason why people go to like especially like Starbucks.
Oh yeah.
Because I can drink coffee and I don't know the difference between like coffee at the shop store and at home, and I don't want to spend money. Maybe my understanding is that people are enjoying the environment at the coffee shop store. But I like don't really understand why people making a line in front of coffee shop. Yeah.
So you like to drink coffee, but you don't understand why many people go to coffee shop to pay.
Yep. Pay like
Right.
higher amount of money
for
coffee.
Yeah, to grab just a cup of coffee.
Yes.
Yeah, I know the point. I understand the point. Yeah, I mean, it's for like a social thing, I think.
Like Nampa? No, I don't think so. But like so social.
Yeah, social. Yeah.
Like communicating with.
Yeah, communicating with people.
Yeah,
it's not a restaurant, but
wait. So you said it's for communicating or socializing, but I like this is just my maybe experience because I don't go to coffee shop, but like in my image, like many people are focusing on their work, their selves, maybe books, jobs on their laptop, or chatting with their own group. Nobody want to make new friends at the coffee shop. It seems like to me. Like for you, it's different.
So for me, the reason I go to like cafe is just spend time with that person.
Like the person you already know.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Like, so socializing, like, 僕が思ったのは、新しい人と輪を作るのがなんかソーシャライジングだと思う。でも確かにそうだね。身内と仲良くするのも、社交ソーシャライジングもそうか。そうだね。勘違いしてたけど、だから TV は、人と喋るためにコーヒーショップに行く。
そうだね。それもある。例えばレストランとかだと ちょっと長居しすぎるのもちょっとあれやし、みたいな。
ファミレスはどうなの？じゃあファミレスって結構長居できるくない？
まあそうだけど、なんか食べるためっていうよりかは、いや本当になんかその、なんて言うんだろうな。じゃあ例えばなんかその会議室で友達と喋るのと、帰り道で友達と喋るのってなんか違うじゃん。
まあ。
みたいな感じで、そうなんかカフェだから話せる感じとかもあって、っていう。
OK。わかった。I understand that.
Okay.
I got it.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty clear about your opinion. And it's not about your opinion, but I don't really understand why so many girls. I mean, I don't know in Japan, but in the United States, so many girls. I mean, American college. In many cases, they have Starbucks in their premise. その大学構内にスターバックスが2、3軒あったんですけど、
はい。
Every morning, girls are on the line in front of Starbucks.
Oh.
Every morning. It's a so long line.
Oh.
I don't understand why do you spend time waiting on the line to just order one latte or coffee? そう、アメリカの大学のスターバックスに毎朝、その 90% ぐらいが女子生徒だったんですけど、がなぜ毎朝スターバックスの前にそんな列を作って並んでるのかが謎だった。その TV の話で、
コミュニケーションとかだったらわかるけどみたいな、ね。わ
かるけど、みんな多分、まあ、友達と来てる人もいると思うけど、そう。その、なぜそこまでしてスターバックスがいいんだろうっていうのは思ってた。Like, this is kind of mystery for me. Mystery.
Yeah. One of the reason, I guess, is they want to have caffeine to focus on something.
Yeah, caffeine. But, if you mentioned about caffeine, maybe you can take caffeine at home.
Yeah, right.
Or you can definitely do that. Yeah. So,
and one of Starbucks features like not like it's kind of sweet thing. They offer sweet latte sweet coffee like matcha latte,紅茶 or
Yeah, that's true. So you want to say maybe I agree with that. Maybe many people don't order coffee. They order sweet drinks like matcha latte.
Matcha latte.
Yeah, kind of stuff.
あとキャラメルなんとかとかね。
Caramel macchiato.
Macchiato.
Something. Macchiato. Yeah. Oh, wait. Have you ever seen a video? Maybe it's on YouTube. So it's a Japanese video, but someone put the music of rap song or some kind of beat on the guy who complaining about Starbucks. And it's the guy speaking English, but for Japanese people, we don't know what is he talking about. So it sounds really like he's rapping. He's not rapping, but he sounds like he's rapping. And that is hilarious.
Yeah. I've never seen that video.
そう、なんか男の人がスターバックス、確かスタバなんだけど、の店の前でなんかクレームを言ってるんだけど、一人で動画を撮って。誰かが日本人がその人の動画に、まあ2、3分の動画なんだけど、なんかラップのビートを載せたんだよね、BGM として。したらそれがすげえラップに聞こえるっていう動画が、すっげえ昔に見たんだけど、覚えてる、面白いから。I still remember that, like the video.
Yeah.
I think it's still available.
Yeah, maybe. I watched it. Maybe.
Yeah, because I think it's very, popular video. Many people already have watched it, like
Yeah.
at least once.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't know but yeah, I saw a video about maybe 落語 with
落語
a beat.
落
語をにビートを乗せるとむっちゃラップみたいみたいな。
Really?
Yeah.
No, I don't think. I don't think I've watched it. Maybe I have to check it out. Yeah.
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 Yeah, everything can be a rap.
Yeah. If you speak fast and
Yeah.
in a kind of
Like
good
with
rhymes.
emotion.
Yeah, with emotions. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
So and yeah, like back to our coffee topic and
mhm.
yeah, so I want to say one thing about coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, and many people can't drink coffee, but they want to drink things like that. So many that kind of people go to Starbucks and order some sweet coffee. And yeah, people who cannot drink coffee can drink in Starbucks
Oh,
because
so
it's sweet.
okay. So we're back on the conversation about Starbucks, and I was
Yeah.
blaming so much about Starbucks, and
Yeah.
you were taking side of Starbucks, right?
Ah.
And yeah, no, I'm so
Huh?
no, so I said I was blaming, but actually I think it's totally okay, and I
Yeah.
wanted to just make it fun, so forgive
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
But that's right. So there's
Yeah.
so much option you can take.
Mm,
You
yeah.
can choosing Starbucks. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's one of the reasons Starbucks is popular. Yeah, everyone can drink
Yeah.
at Starbucks.
But like, how about the price?
Yeah, I think it's expensive.
Yeah, I think it's
Honestly.
expensive too. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's,
We can eat ramen.
Yeah, we can eat ramen. Come on, man. Yeah.
Yeah. And it's the same amount of calorie with ramen and
Yeah.
Starbucks coffee.
Because there's
Like latte.
so much sugar in it.
Yeah.
You might not want to, order sweet sugared drink every day. I don't
Yeah.
recommend it, but if you feel like do it, but just do it. But
Yeah.
you might not want to do it. Like
Yeah.
そう毎日はね
Mm.
You might not want to do it. You might want to do か You might wanna do
はい。
で、
はい。はい。
何々した方がいい
うん。
の not がつ
そうだね
くから、You might not wanna do it 何々しない方がいい
うん。
みたいな使い方はするのかなわかんないけど、でもよくある表現で、
まあ、それかなんか、
そう
まあ、もしくはなんか、You should とかは結構使うイメージあるかも。
なんか
で、するべきじゃないと You shouldn't は結構
なんか
Why not とも言うか。
なんかその should はちょっと強く感じちゃうのね、俺的には。なんか You might not だからね、might は、確率が低い感じで使われるじゃん。
そうだね。
might って may のもうちょっと確率低いみたいな。だから、ちょっとやんわり、
そうだね。
何々、あなたは何々したいと思うよ。で、遠回しにした方がいいよ、みたいな。
はいはいはいはい。
まあ、
そうだね。
なんか、使う相手によるのかな。した方がいいんじゃないみたいなニュアンス
はいはいはいはい。
した方がいいですよ、みたいな。知らない人にも使えるし、みたいな。
そうだね。So it's なんだろうな。it might not a good idea とか。may not a good idea.
例えば、それは、You might want to be careful when you see a wild dog in Africa みたいな。アフリカ。なんかアフリカで野生犬を見たら気をつけた方がいいと思うよ、みたいな。
はいはいはいはい、はい。
わかんないけど。
そうだね。
だからシュッとよりもちょっとやんわり。
そうだね。まあ、シュッは結構、わかりやすく伝えたい時に使って、いつかを使うと、なんとかの方がいいかもしれませんね、みたいな、日本語的に言うと。
そうだね。意外とシュッとぐらいに強く進めてる感じはあるかもしれないけど、でも言い方的には強くない。みたいな感じもあるのかな。はいはいはい。もしかしたら。
なんだろう、言いたいことは言うんだけど、ちょっと遠回しというか、なんじゃないかな。あるかな。日本語でもありそうだな、そういう感じ。
シュッとが、何々した方がいいよっていう言い方だとすると、you might wanna do は、何々した方がいいかも。何々した方がいいかもね。みたいな。ちょっと断言はしてないけど、ほのめかす。けど自分はそう思ってる。相手に対して。みたいな感じだと思うんだけどな。ちなみに
例えば、it's better to do とかっていうのはどう思いますか？
It's better to do. 何した方がいいよね。
だから例えば、it's better to go、コーヒーショップのスターバックスとか。だからんけど。
そうだ、you might の方が遠回しに言おうとしてるなっていうのは伝わるんじゃない？
そうだね。It's better だったら何々する方がいいよねみたいな。
シュッとも It's better も多分断言してる感じが強い。よりお気持ちを表明されてる感じなのかな。わかんないけど。
今の表現がすごいマイトっぽいけどね。
ってな感じで、you might wanna do。Yeah. You might wanna do.You might wanna avoid で何々は避けた方がいいかもねとか。You might wanna avoid too much sugar every day. Yeah, I think so. Like sugar, it's good for your brain, but not good for your health and your body fat.
Yeah. Yes. And some people are addicted to caffeine.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. I think I used to be addicted to caffeine. Not addicted, but like 3 or 4 cups every day was just normal for me. But like it was not like maybe addicted. There was no symptoms, 症状。だから中毒ではなかったけど、でもめっちゃ飲んでる時期はあった。
So, in my opinion, many people experience that it's cool to drink coffee.
Like you look cool.
Yeah. Do you have that kind of like feeling?
No. No, because so the reason I drink so much coffee or caffeine in the past was like it was for free for me. I could drink coffee as much as I want.
Yeah.
Every day, so I just drink like water. So do you think like drinking black coffee looks cool?
Like many people say when you drink black coffee, 大人だね. Something like that.
Yeah. And when some people say, oh, I can't drink black coffee, maybe some people say, oh, you were like a kid.
Yeah.
子供じゃんみたいな。言う人いるね、確かに。
Yeah. And how about like beer and wasabi?
Like, yeah. Beer. So many people say like fat drink should be beer at izakaya.
Yeah.
とりあえず生で。And wasabi. Yeah. And how about カニ味噌?
カニ味噌? What do you mean?
You don't know カニ味噌?
I know the カニ味噌.
But like when you don't like the taste, when you say you don't like the taste of カニ味噌, like it's more like profound for adult taste, right? So maybe some people judge you or say you like in a mean way. まだまだだね。まだまだ子供だね。みたいな。
Yeah. 確かに。Yeah.
Actually,
so
yeah.
Is it only in Japan?
カニ味噌?
No, like this kind of culture. So you So you don't know the like good about the like black coffee or beers. It's childish or something.
Maybe I think it's same in like foreign countries. Like it's kind of humor. Sometimes it's like people are just mean, but like in a humorous way. なんか冗談としてはそうやって言う人も海外にはいるんじゃないかなと思うけど、どうなんだろうね。文化としては
日本の方がなんか強い気がする
かもしれないね。
あんま言ってるの見たことないもん、そういう。
確かになんか確かに。
It's me みたいな。It's my own taste みたいな。
まあ確かにね。海外って言ってもアメリカだけしか知らないけど、なんかその断ったら断ったで、なんか大丈夫だよ、全然大丈夫だよみたいな感じはちょっと強い気がするの。例えば飲みに行くって言われてとか、もうこれ以上飲めないって言ったらそれはそれ全然いいけど、日本だとちょっと断りづらい、
そうだね
みたいなのも関係してるのかな、わかんないけど、
なんかその人それぞれ個人の好き好みがあっていいよねみたいなのは結構海外というか
ちょっと
印象あって
日本人より、
日本もそれも強くなってきてはいるとは思うけど、でもなんかそのコーヒーとかビールとかなんかその、結構海鮮系なんか渋いねみたいなやつはなんかまだまだ根強いというかある気がするね。
確かになんかそういう渋いものをさらっと食べれたり飲めたりすると、ちょっとはかっこいいのかもしんないね。もしかしたら
その、なんていうの、その時期がやっぱりあったのかなみたいな。多くの人ありそうだな、そのコーヒーブラックコーヒー飲めるようになるみたいなとか、わさび食べるとかビール飲めるようになるみたいな。
When I was a kid, I tried drink my dad's beer. I just tried, so it's not illegal, I think. My dad didn't try me, like force me to do that. He didn't, but I was like, what the fuck is this? Like, this drink is like, this is literally for human? So bitter and what is this?
Yeah.
But now I can drink beer. So some people say, like, you know, when people grown up, like, you know, many people can understand the profound taste, 深い味. But like some scientists say, it's just aging, 加齢. その下の細胞がバカになってきてるだけだから、老化してるだけだよっていうなんか説もあるよねみたいな。渋い味がわかるっていうのはわかんないけど。
It's interesting.
Yep, very interesting.
Yeah.
All right, so we talking about like I don't know, I don't remember about a lot.
Coffee,
beer, curry, spicy food.
Curry,
yeah. Kind of stuff.
Yep. We talked about like food and drink.
Yeah.
Almost.
Looking back, yes, we talked about food a lot. That's right. Yeah. So let's call it a day.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah. Same.
it's
I
fun.
enjoyed it. It's fun to talk about something we want to talk, like sometimes, and it's in English, sometimes in Japanese.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool. Right. So, thank you.
All right. Thank you for spending your time on this radio. We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this radio, please hit the like and subscribe. It might help you to learn English every week.
Have a nice day with TV and Fridge's English Lounge. TV's out.
Fridge is out.